Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Taib sir, and welcome to Taib English House. This is the lecture number 6 of Basic English Grammar course. In this video, today I am going to tell you the uses of present indefinite tense. So, sir, when do we use present indefinite tense? Here, I have written 3 uses of present indefinite tense. Okay, number 1, repeated actions. When we talk about repeated actions, the actions that we do regularly, over and over, every day. So, then we use present indefinite tense when we talk about our repeated actions. For example, I take tea in the morning. I take tea in the morning. When do you take tea? I take tea in the morning. So, this action, I take tea in the morning, I do every day. I do every day. In the morning, every morning, I take tea. So, that's why I have written this sentence in present indefinite tense. So, present indefinite tense also used when we talk about habitual actions, daily routine. So, repeated actions, daily routine, habitual actions, all these the same meaning. Okay. So, now you look at here, general truths. When do we use present indefinite tense? The second use, when we talk about the general truths. Now, you look at the example, honey is sweet. So, this is the truth that honey is sweet. No one denies that honey is not sweet. You understood? So, that time when we talk about the general truths, we use present indefinite tense. Okay? And the third use, when do we use present indefinite tense? When we talk about the future fixed timetables. So, we also use present indefinite tense for future. For example, now we look at the example. The train leaves at 6 p.m. It means train leaves at 6 p.m. So, now I have 5 p.m. but the train will leave at 6 p.m. So, here I used present indefinite tense. Why I did not use future indefinite tense? The train will leave at 6 p.m. It's also correct, but I use present indefinite tense. Why? Because this action is fixed, planned action. And when we talk about the planned action, the fixed action, that time we use that time we use present indefinite tense for future.